Part of good drawing is to try to replicate what you see in gray tones and translate this into your drawing. This could involve copying another drawing or image, doing a life drawing of a portrait or a landscape. In this short exercise we are going to try and replicate the grayscale gradient using the shade brush of Paintology. Once you get a good handle on this brush, you can make many drawings that look just like real pencil drawings. The exercise will train your observation of the grayscale tones that you see above, and try to replicate in the drawing area below. Don't be dismayed, you are not expected to get it right the first time, keep trying until it gets close to what you think is reasonable. This will form the basis of learning how to make good drawings that have much depth. If you are not sure about the exact grayscale tone to use, try to make use of the color picker. I use the position of the cursor on the grayscale below the drawing canvas, to pick out the right tones. Please go through the video again, until you get a fairly reasonable duplicate of the gray tones provided. Although very short and sweet, this exercise is the basic building block of good drawings, and you will find this drawing exercise in many traditional drawing tutorials. On day 3, we will take what we have learned in being able to reproduce gray tones, and apply it to a real object, the sphere.